What was the first retail product ever to have a barcode? A pack of gum, a soda can, a chocolate bar, a cereal box. The correct answer is a pack of gum. What is the next prime number after 41? 43, 45, 47, 49. The correct answer is 43. What is a group of giraffes called? A tower, a rumba, a crash, a litter. The correct answer is a tower. Which Greek dessert is made of layers of pastry, honey, and nuts? Moussaka, baklava, spanakopita, loukoumades. The correct answer is baklava. Savate martial art originated in which country? France, Spain, Ireland, Scotland. The correct answer is France. What is the legendary creature said to attack livestock and drain their blood? Banshee, Wendigo, Chupacabra, Manticore. The correct answer is Chupacabra. In A Christmas Carol, what is the surname of Tiny Tim? Brown, Cratchit, Marley, Dickens. The correct answer is Cratchit. Nauru is a tiny island nation, but it doesn't officially have a capital. Which place acts as its administrative center? Yeren, Windhoek, Belmopan, Manama. The correct answer is Yeren. What is the name of Goofy's son in Disney cartoons? Max, Pete, Chip, Dale. The correct answer is Max. If a player is winding up to take a powerful slap shot, what fast-paced sport are you watching? Field hockey, ice hockey, golf, lacrosse. The correct answer is ice hockey. In investing, what does the acronym ETF stand for? Equity Trading Fund, Exchange Transfer Fund, Exchange Traded Fund, Electronic Trade Format. The correct answer is Exchange Traded Fund. The abbreviation FAQ stands for what phrase? Fast answered questions, frequently asked questions, factually asked queries, formally asked questions. The correct answer is frequently asked questions. According to Islamic history, in which famous city was the Prophet Muhammad born? Medina, Jerusalem, Mecca, Cairo. The correct answer is Mecca. If you are examining arches, whorls, and loops, what are you studying? Cloud formations, fingerprints, shell patterns, rock layers. The correct answer is fingerprints. What is the medical term used to describe the chest region? Cranium, thorax, pelvis, abdomen. The correct answer is thorax.